following message is transmitted at the request of the government of Michigan. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. A massive launch of nuclear missiles has taken place from North Korea. 5 of these missiles have already hit Japan and South Korea, and 2 are on course for the United States. According to NORAD, 1 missile is headed towards Detroit and the other is headed for Kalamazoo. Estimated impact in about 10 minutes for Detroit and 13 minutes for Kalamazoo. Residents in these cities should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear weaponry. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. If you are near a fallout shelter, go to this location now. As a last resource, go to a basement or underground shelter and place as many objects as you can between you and the outside. Take a battery-powered IC radio and listen for further statements and updates. This is an emergency action notification. The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcast stations, cable systems, and wireless connections shall transmit this notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news to the public in assigned areas. You are listening.
Our national anthem.
Home of my heart, I sing of thee, Michigan, my Michigan. Thy lake-bound shores I long to see, Michigan, my Michigan. From Saginaw's tall whispering pines, from Lake Superior's farthest mines, fair in the light of memory shines, Michigan, my Michigan. Thou gave thy sons without a sigh, Michigan, my Michigan, and sent thy bravest forth to die, Michigan, my Michigan. Beneath a hostile southern sky, they bore thy banner proud and high, ready to fight and never to fly, Michigan, my Michigan. From Yorktown on to Richmond's wall, Michigan, my Michigan. They bravely fight as bravely fall, Michigan, my Michigan. Their strong arms crumble in the dust, and their bright swords all have gathered rust. Their memory is our sacred trust, Michigan, my Michigan. And when the happy time shall come, Michigan, my Michigan, that brings thy war-worn heroes home, Michigan, my Michigan. What welcome from their own proud shore, what honors at their feet will pour, what tears for those who'll come no more, Michigan, my Michigan. A grateful country claims them now, Michigan, my Michigan. A deathless laurel binds each brow, Michigan, my Michigan. And history, the tale will tell of how they fought and how they fell for that dear land we loved so well, Michigan,